Good morning. It is 4:20 in the morning, and we're going to Mammoth. Got kind of like our pre-breakfast, and then we'll probably stop in about a couple hours to actually eat some breakfast that we pack. So, come on. Hi, kids. You're still sleeping. Let's get up. Let's eat. Let's go for a drive.
Yo, good morning. Been up for 30 minutes. Trash bags, just in case. And we are on our way to Mammoth Lakes.
Yo, what up? We're the Kahlers. I'm Paul.
I'm Kelly.
This is Pensy.
Here's Raleigh.
Raleigh. And what's your name?
Gigi. Like that. Your shoes are slippery.
Oh man, we are halfway into our drive. We have 2.5 more hours. But Pensy has a blowout, so we have to change that, feed him, and we'll probably wake up Raleigh to feed, and then we'll get back on the road. So we're gonna go to this hot spring that's down the way. It's a 5-minute walk, 10-minute walk,
I don't know.
20-minute walk. I don't know. But there's a pathway that goes all the way to the hot spring, so it should be pretty easy with the babies. But it's super pretty, so we're gonna get ready.
Our new luggage is coming in handy.
Kids are awake, they're hungry, and they're in full effect. Gigi. Say hi.
Hi.
Go, 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 go. Tell me about the food sitch when you go on road trips.
I'm trying to put jackets on.
I know. Perfect.
I don't know. I don't even really remember what we packed. It was last night. So for dinners, we're gonna do just black bean tacos, and lunch, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, breakfast, cereals and bananas, and our green smoothies. And we just make it super simple on us. We bought some bars and just whatever leftover food we have. Bell peppers. Ooh. You want a cucumber?
Fine.
No.
Sure.
Okay.
What's up, Doc?
All right. Here we go. We're walking that direction.
Here we go.
We have Raleigh. We have Gigi, Pensy, and Dad. Look at all the mountains around us. It's very quiet and peaceful and pretty. Hi, where are we? We're in the hot springs.
So much fun. Kids did good. Drew absolutely loved it.
Drew, did you love it? Wait, Drew. So, both babies are already asleep. We're gonna sit in the back of the car and make some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and enjoy the view.
See that over there? That's rain, so we gotta pack up and get out of here because this is like the road out is all dirt. So I don't think we get stuck, but might as well get out. That'd suck. So Kelly's over here making lunch. Babies are sleeping, but we gotta get out of here.
Yeah. Show me what you're eating, girl.
So this girl, oh, by the way, we got settled in, we kind of ate a little bit, and we like passed out for 2 hours. It was so nice. The kids really needed to sleep. We wanted to take a nap.
Did you want to take a nap in the bed?
And now we're up and just eating.
Prepping dinner.
Cut that lettuce.
Yep. So pretty much our dinner is ready. Super easy, super inexpensive. This just found, very excellent.
What is it?
Like a cheddar dip and dairy-free organic cheddar dip.
Try to steal Pinsy's ball. Get it. Oh, get it. We will see you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed today. See you tomorrow. And good night to you. Here's mom life. Always organizing.
Organizing, reorganizing, organizing, reorganizing.
She does a good job doing it though.
Organizing, reorganizing. Alright. Good night. Figuring out tomorrow's outfit so it makes it easier since they're not crying. And we can get a head start on tomorrow.
Good morning.
Morning.
That was a fun, successful night. Right there is where we stayed last night. Super bachelor pad. But yeah, we're gonna go get some coffee right now. It's currently 32 degrees maybe, I don't know. I'll have to give you an update on that. Let's go. So we just got here at Convict Lake and we're gonna go take some portraits of each other down there. The lake is so pretty, so we'll show you some of that B-roll now.
It's fun inside. M-I-C-K-E-Y.
But no, yeah, we're just gonna go on a little walk with the kids and just kind of enjoy this. It's so peaceful here. It's a beautiful day out, and the fall foliage is kind of over here, but there's still some trees with a little yellow left on it, so it's super pretty still. So.
Convict Lake is awesome. There's plenty of parking right to the shore. The lake is clear, like see-through clear. Rainbow trout in this lake. And it's just a really easy walk on this side of the lake. I recommend it. Paved.
And look how pretty it is.
What's going on? What's going on? Are we on a walk? This is so fun. Don't you eating your baby?
What are you doing? You throwing rocks? Ready, set, throw it hard. Oh, you got it to the water.
Nap time.
Nap time. So we're gonna go home, nap, eat some lunch, and then head back out.
Dree asked to go lay down on the bed and nap.
So yeah, we will see you in a bit, and I don't know what else we're gonna do. I think we might go to another lake that's right by our house, so we'll see you there. How cute are they that they just sleep together? Pensie's up, but that's where she sleeps with Dree. It's so stinky cute. So we just got to George Lake. It's at like the top of all the lakes of Mammoth Lakes. It's so stinking pretty. All these lakes are so nice right now. So what do you think about this spot?
It's super pretty. I really like that peak. I'm sure that peak has a name, but it's really pretty. Ready?
Yo, what up? We're the Kahlers.
Hello, we're the Kahlers.
Hope you enjoy our vlog.
Do you like our video? BabyCenter, thank you for posting this.
Thank you.
If you like more videos like this, check us out on We're the Kahlers. YouTube. Okay, peace out.
Made it home. 4 hours and 30 minutes. Not one stop. Number one tip, travel according to your kids' sleeping schedules. Makes a world difference. See ya.